It's going to be a porta potty review here at an apartment complex. They're doing some kind of construction here. Maybe for a playground. I see a foundation over there. Like a ready light green porta potty. Let's go over here and check this one out. This is in Raleigh, North Carolina. And we'll walk out here and see what in the heck they're building here. Got a dumpster over there. Well, let's go in. Ready light, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill. And we'll lock the door. Last clean date was like June 10th maybe. A hook to hang your clothes. Got a urinal here. Looks like a pretty clean toilet. Kind of a dirty toilet seat. Hopefully they put some paper towels on there and or toilet paper, a couple rolls of toilet paper. Very warm in here. There's our vent pipe. It's like something was written here and scrubbed off. And some more written here and scrubbed off. Satellite Industries. And we have a padlock on that toilet paper. Don't want anybody stealing that. Let's go check the outside out. And it's sitting on a car coming here. Take a look at the foundation, whatever they're building here. Presume they're expanding the playground perhaps at this apartment complex is what it looks like. This porta potty's just right into some bushes here on the outside. Sitting on skids, doesn't look too bad. We got a construction site number here. All in all, I'll give this a medium to high thumbs. Not bad. Looks like it's recently cleaned. Doesn't look like it's been used very much. Here, an apartment complex here in Raleigh, North Carolina.